Hello, America. I'm Camille Chandler, and this is Qualitative Listening. As of the July 29th through 30th FOMC meeting, the Federal Reserve held its target federal funds rate steady at 4.25% to 4.50%, the fifth consecutive hold this year. Notably, two Fed governors dissented, expressing support for an immediate rate cut, which was a rare occurrence. So will we see rate cuts past the August 1st deadline of President Trump's tariffs? Well, here's what lies ahead. The August trends: there's no FOMC meeting in August, so the next opportunity for a policy change is in mid-September, the 16th and 17th. The Fed has been cautious, declining to signal a September cut, which cooled recent market expectations for an immediate move. Market expectations for later in 2025 are internal because of the Fed's dot plot and has penciled in two quarter-point rate cuts by the end of 2025, though the pace is slower than earlier projections. Analysts currently see a less than 50 to 63% chance of a rate cut in September, with the odds leaning toward declines later in the fall or at the final meeting of the year, likely in December. So here's the summary. Will we see rate cuts after August 1st? Well, there's no Fed meeting in August, but September is very likely, but not highly likely. The market implied odds have dropped significantly, and Powell emphasized a data-dependent approach. In late 2025, that's the best possibility. The Fed expects two rate cuts total, likely later in the year, potentially in September and December, depending on inflation and labor market data. So no cuts in August, but possibly in September, and highly likely in December. Alright, that's the show, folks. Thanks for listening to Qualitative Listening.